Gandhi, Gandhi, baby. We have no idea where we're going right now. Yokohama from the sky coming up. That was so close. Yo, gang, gang. Guess what I won? I won this bad boy. The bike is loud as fuck.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and the
भटभटेहरू कति धेरै छ यहाँ हैन अहिले म मेरो भटभटेहरू हेर्दा हेर्दा मैले मेरो भ्लग पनि बनाउन बिर्सेछु है
to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe
And these fuckers are flying, bro. Those are real riders. I'm nothing compared to that. एउटा एक्सिडेन्ट भएछ क्या अघि हाम्रो एउटा ब्रोले भनिरहेको थियो कि हैन सो नाउ इट हेज रिज्युम्ड अहिले चाहिँ हैन टोकियो जान लाग्यो अनि साथीहरु आउँदैछ दुई चारजना अनि we're about to drive to Tokyo अनि चिबा पनि गइन्छ होला सायद it's about 2 hour drive अनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ आज केटाहरु के रे बाइकमा ट्र्याक डे को लागि जाने भन्दैछ तर मेरो बाइक चाहिँ अहिले मेकानिक शपमा भएको भएर गाडी लिएर जान लाग्यो just to go there check it out oh यहाँ चाहिँ मेरो अकोबरे खुर्सानी छ बिउजिरा छ अहिले चाहिँ हैन यो बाइक रेस गर्ने ठाउँमा आइपुगेछ so we out here you know in the forest we did only one lap only one lap dude do you want to do a couple more laps no and these fuckers are flying bro I want to see the corners bro like can we watch it from the corner bro I think they might already be here I'm gonna try to spot them bro motherfuckers flying bro यो ठाउँको नाम चाहिँ के हो रे यो चाहिँ रेस ट्र्याक ठाउँमा हैन
Sodegaura Forest Raceway.
हो त्यो फरेस्टको बीचमा रहेछ हैन हाम्रो ब्रोले क्यामेरा हाल्दै हुन्छ यहाँ त बाइक नै बाइक छ सबै It's wild bro you're not going no you're done for the day bro so it's gonna start exactly at 3 right oh okay we got 3 minutes and I'm gonna watch 15 minutes from that corner over there yeah but like this corner like whenever they're going this way you can see the entire corner you know भटभटेहरू कति धेरै छ यहाँ हैन अहिले म मेरो भटभटेहरू हेर्दा हेर्दा मैले मेरो भ्लग पनि बनाउन बिर्सेछु है त्यसको लागि चाहिँ माफी छ अब फेरि सुरु भयो एउटा एक्सिडेन्ट भएछ क्या अघि हाम्रो एउटा ब्रोले भनिरहेको थियो कि हैन so now it has resumed you know in this forest there's a racetrack right and 30-minute window and these boys are going to town like I'm talking about scraping their knees and stuff bro those are real riders I'm nothing compared to them but I'm not comparing I'm the best in my own way I know that's him right there that's him right his bike is loud as fuck that's right His bike is loud as fuck. He's gonna have a pretty decent video. Oh, Musashi Mori Cafe. Yeah, we just stopped here real quick, to get some brunch, some healthy options, and we hit the road. But this is how it looks like. Boom. Morning Cafe, baby. No, we live here. Yeah, we live here. Yeah. That was really nice of him. He took photos of us. Now we have a memory. Memory of this place. Yeah, that's the photo. You came out really good. Bro, the boys are going to town with these pancakes. Clearly. Bro, this is a dino, dude. It's 7:30 right now. Let's do roller coasters, bro. So this is the Yokohama Cosmo World. Hello, hello. Hey, hey. I'm always extra for some reason. That's me. Hey, Gandhi, baby. We have no idea where we're going right now. Yokohama from the sky coming up. I'm sweaty as fuck. That was so close. Yo, gang. Guess what I won? I won this bad boy. Bad boy has been won. And we all won. We spent so much money in this shit. At least, bro, we spent like probably 1,500 yen. Total. Oh, then you go straight up, bro. That's a scam. Yeah, some of them are. Bro, you puta madre. Oh, man. Bro, that one's a pretty nice bag for a motorcycle. Motorcycle bag. What that shit, bro? Yeah. No, it's fine, dude. What's so up? Weird. It's a nice car. Like, she's gonna. Yeah. It's a compliment. Peel off, baby. Oh, she don't know how to drive. अहिले चाहिँ घर बाहिर हो क्या होइन वाइल्ड पनि परिरहेको छ जापानमा अहिले चार पनि पर्ने देखाइरहेको छ क्या सो अनि मेरो बाइक लिन जानुपर्ने छ भोलि चाहिँ क्लाउडी भएको भएर आज पिकअप गरेन भने फेरि भोलि चाहिँ सप बन्द हुन्छ क्या सो हल्का पानीमा भिजेर भए पनि बाइकलाई घरमा ल्याइन्छ जस्तो छ आज